Plastic crusher or the wood chipper is available in the market, and it is not an invention. In fact, it's an innovation that what we have tried to do is to use a single power source to drive both. And the uniqueness of our shredder is that it can be moved to the place where it is required rather than the wood and plastic being brought to it. So it's a mobile vehicle. The other thing is, as far as the plastic is concerned, the plastic machine is capable of shredding even thick crates. So the design that we have adopted lends itself to crushing whatever be the size of plastic thickness that is being put into it. And we have found that in the market there are plastic shredders, but they are pretty expensive and they are very large, and we have made it very compact that can be coupled to the power source that runs the tree chipping machine. Wood chipping and plastic shredding at site where it is generated reduces carbon footprint. It also helps in using the wood chips as manure around the plants from where it is generated. It also helps in getting them converted into mulch. The chipped wood can be used to fill the median where the plants have been laid, to prevent the weeds and the grass growing, and also convert itself into manure. The wood chip can also be used as fuel in the rural areas. It can also help in reducing the problem faced by the invasive growth of this thorny bushes and a tree called in Tamil Seemikarvelam, which is a challenge posed to the rural authority, because once it's uprooted, it's very difficult to dispose it of. As regards plastic, it is a circuitous route of plastic being taken by the rag picker from the landfill and then transported to the collecting agent, and then from there to the crusher. And I think it's a very useful equipment for disposing of the waste wood and the plastic, and keep our cities clean. As regards the cost of the machine, without the truck, I feel that we should be in a position to offer it around 8 to 9 lakhs, and if the production is increased, maybe we might be able to bring it down by another 20%.